Friends, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get notified about all my latest beauty updates. Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be DIY video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make super affordable DIY poreless primer to get flawless makeup like glass skin. So let's get started. And ingredients we need are aloe vera gel and any moisturizer. Here I am using Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. Next you need lactocalamine lotion, baby oil, and finally empty container to store. So these are the ingredients you need to prepare this primer. Let's move on to the process. Take a clean bowl and spoon. Now add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Instead of aloe vera gel, you can also use cucumber gel because it is very soothing and gives cooling effect to our skin. Next add 1 tablespoon of Nivea Soft Moisturizer. So after adding moisturizer, then add 1 teaspoon of baby oil. And finally add 1 spoon of calamine lotion. You can also add sunscreen instead of calamine lotion. So after adding all the ingredients, then mix it very well so that all the ingredients gets well combined. Now this is how it looks. Our DIY pore filling primer is ready. Now let us transfer this in a clean container. You can easily store this for more than 2 months in normal room temperature. So let us see how to use this. You need a very little amount of this primer all over your face. So before applying foundation, just check required amount of this primer and massage it into your skin. And wait for 2 minutes so that the primer gets absorbed into your skin. So once you're done, then after 2 minutes start applying your foundation and you will get flawless makeup look. So that's it for today's video. Hope this may be helpful for you guys, and if you like my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So until next video, take care. Bye bye.